Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your rental property with renter's insurance by Lemonade, beginner guide step by step clearly. Renter's insurance provides essential protection for your rental property. Begin by understanding what renter's insurance covers. This type of insurance typically protects your personal belongings against damage or theft. It can also provide liability coverage in case someone is injured in your rental home. Next, research different insurance providers to find the best option. Lemonade is known for its user-friendly interface and transparent pricing. Visit the Lemonade website to get started. Click on the Get a Quote button to begin the application process. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your name and address. Be prepared to list your personal belongings and their estimated values. This will help to determine the amount of coverage you need. Lemonade offers tailored policies, so be sure to customize your coverage. Consider adding additional coverage for high-value items like electronics or jewelry. Once you've selected your coverage, review the terms and conditions carefully. Pay attention to the deductible. This is the amount you'll pay out of pocket for claims. After reviewing, proceed to the payment section to finalize your policy. Lemonade often provides instant coverage once your payment is processed. Once you have your policy, keep a record of your belongings. Take photos and create an inventory list as proof of ownership. Regularly update your inventory as you acquire new items. Lastly, stay informed about any changes in your rental property that may affect your coverage. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your rental property with renter's insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.